Hi Kushvi, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
I believe you had some doubts to discuss with me regarding
Yes, sir.
NDA and CDS exams.
Yes, sir. There were few important questions. Firstly, that what is the myth regarding English about NDA and CDS examinations which are conducted?
Okay. You see, a large number of defense aspirants are from Hindi medium background.
Correct.
And these are mostly those children who are from state boards.
Right.
They have not followed CBSE or ICSE curriculum. Because the children who do their class 12 from CBSE or ICSE curriculum, their communication abilities in English are much better.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Now, what happens is that NDA and CDS question papers are bilingual.
Yeah.
तो उनको ये लगता है it is very easy to crack these exams.
Okay.
But they have not thought what after that.
Yes.
Because exams तो वो clear कर लेंगे, लेकिन when they go for SSB they will get stuck there because in the SSB all written as well as verbal exams are in English.
Correct.
Right? And this most of the coaching centers don't tell the aspirants
Rightly.
because they want to put them through only for the written preparation.
Correct, sir.
Right?
Rightly pointed out, sir. So my next question would be, why is English so important for a successful attempt in SSB?
You see, the working language in the armed forces is English. It may be Army, Navy or Air Force.
Yes, sir.
All correspondence is also in English.
Yes, sir.
Besides this, when we go for courses of instructions, all the studies are in English.
Oh,
The study material is in English, right? So in an organization which adopts the communication in English, it is very difficult to survive if you don't have a fairly good ability to communicate in English. It may be written or verbal, right? So that is the importance.
Never thought in that way, sir. Thank you so much. One last question is for people who are weak in such English language, what can they do to improve communication skills in English?
You see, there are two aspects to it.
Yes, sir.
The first is written, the second is verbal.
Okay.
We will tackle verbal first, right?
Sir.
Now, if you have to develop good verbal skills in English, there are several ways to do it.
Yes, sir.
First thing is that you have to stop speaking in Hindi altogether.
Right, sir.
तो आप चाहे अपने पेरेंट्स से बात कर रहे हो या रिलेटिव से या फ्रेंड से, you should try and communicate only in English.
Rightly what out.
Right? So that will make you habitual in speaking in English. Otherwise क्या करते हैं जो हिंदी मीडियम वाले होते हैं, वो पहले हिंदी में सोचते हैं, फिर उसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. And that is where the grammar goes wrong. So you have to start thinking in English only.
Okay.
और उसका तरीका ये है that you have to get used to it. भाई जिसकी आदत नहीं है उसकी आदत डालना, it is as simple as that.
Correct, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes.
The second thing is to watch English news channels so that you understand the
What
English.
that you consume.
Yes.
Correct.
The third thing you can do is to read English newspaper, especially the editorial columns where you get good English.
Yes, sir.
And you can even pick up good vocabulary from there.
Yeah.
And also read current affairs magazines. तो उससे आपको दो फायदे होंगे, एक तो करंट अफेयर भी अच्छी होगी and you will improve your English also. The fourth thing you can do is to practice speaking English loudly. You can pick up a few paragraphs from the newspapers or magazines and do loud reading every day, 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So firstly you will get used to speaking in English
Overcoming the
and also improving your pronunciation,
Yes, correct.
right? And lastly you can also join some spoken English courses if you want to. They are available in the market,
Rightly.
right? So all these steps can be done to improve your communication skills in English, that is verbally. Now coming to the written part, you will have to go back to basics. That means you have to start with the cursive writing books,
Yes, sir.
जो lower classes में कराते हैं. So work through them, and then you will have to pick up the English grammar books of lower classes also to build up your basics.
Yes, sir.
Class 1 to 8th I would say. Read that and practice grammar.
Correct.
And you have to put it into writing also. Try making sentences. try writing short stories, some essays,
Yes.
right? तो जितना आप ज़्यादा practice करोगे उतना आपका improvement होगा. And this cannot happen in 10-15 days. It will take 2 to 3 months.
Yes.
So you have to keep that kind of time period available to you,
Right.
right? I hope you've understood this.
Sure, sir. You rightly gave us a pathway to follow, which will help us through our return and SSB journey. Thank you so much, sir, for getting so much of time for us and clearing our doubts.
It's always a pleasure, and we'll continue our chit chat in the next week,
Sure,
right?
sir. It will be my pleasure, sir.
Till then, see you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.